before I start the video, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel so I can reach my goal. Today we'll be talking about this Lexus RX 330, and similar to this Lexus, and I'll show you where the spare tire is. Open the hood. Usually on a lot of vehicles it's located right in here. So when you open this, just like that, that opens up, but it's not here. The reason why, because if you look, it's right underneath. Some trucks also have them underneath as well. It's right in here. To get this out, I'll show you how to get this out. So what you might want to do is take this out so it holds this piece, and what you will need is this tool right here. It's located here, and I'm not sure what size this is. And then you need this as well. Before I show you how to remove the spare tire, if you'd like to get to your tank and you don't know how to get it, you press this button. This opens up, and this is to release your gasoline tank. But what we need to do is get under here. What you want to do is push this button, and that comes up, as you can see, and then there's that bolt to lower it. So what you do is hook this up, and then you spin. You grab it like this, and then you spin the counterclockwise. So before you lower the tire, you have to unlock this piece, and to unlock it, you have to hold this really tight and then spin this one. Sometimes you might need another hand. You can probably do it by yourself. Hold this, and then I had to break mine loose. It was really tight. Like this is lock. To unlock this way, kind of hold it with my elbow, and there you go, unlock, and that comes down. When you spin that, the tire goes down. So I got mine out. You need to pick up the tire and take this thing out. To take it out from the bottom, you have to, so it's loose, the tire up, and just lift it up through the plastic and through the tire, and it'll go through the hole. I'll show you in a minute. So what it looks like is like this inside, like that. So you get it loose, lift up the tire a little, twist it this way, and it goes through. And same way it goes through the wheel as well. So if you want to see it, how I put it back, stay tuned and you'll see it. So what you want to do is put the cover here, put this away so it's not in your way for a minute. Grab a tire, a wheel. It might be hard, so you might have to take this thing out and put the wheel on top first. Just like that. Line it up and grab this and put this inside this way. Let it get in there. We'll wiggle it. That should be good. Then start raising. And to raise it how you did before, this thing right here, just this way now. It's easy right now because it's loose, but once it gets tight, I have to use a tool. Set up the camera. So pretty much what I'm doing is this, and twisting it this way. Raise it up, and the tire is lifting now. And if you want to see it underneath, this is what it looks like. Right there, just like that. It's supposed to, that thing's supposed to sit like this. And let's get this. Now let's put it back in its place by raising it. I think it's almost there. Make sure it's tight. Double check. Once it's tight and everything in place, you want to double check, make sure it's not loose. That's just the cover moving, but make sure the tire is secure. Everything's good, and that piece lined up like that, nice and tight. Then you're ready to put the cover. To put the cover, you lock it this way. You line this up, these ones right here to here. There's 3 of them, just like that. And there you go, it's locked. That should be good. Nice and tight. Then you go up here, take this tool out, close this. This is located right here, and it goes right in here, like this. Just like that. Take this down. There you go. That's how you take the spare tire out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, because that helps a bunch.